back, cooking in the county, and it's been a while again. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I see my subscribers are adding almost every single day. So my content is going to be more and more. I had a very successful bakery that I just decided to get done to have a little bit more, I don't know, self-care, do some things that I actually love doing and not be stressed out so much. So YouTube has always been something that I absolutely love doing, so I'm going to continue doing it. I have lots of new things that I want to bring to you guys. I've been watching a lot of TikToks, a lot. So I want to bring you some of those recipes that I've been watching because they're just fun. Fun, quick. Everybody's busy. I get it. Everybody's stressed out. Everybody's busy. You want some quick, yummy meals to make for your family. So that's what I'm going to bring. So today, I'm going to be doing a recipe that I saw on TikTok. Obviously, it's not my recipe. It's somebody else's. But I'm going to add my own twist to it because that's what I do. And it's going to be like a taco bake with some cornbread. Okay? So I wanted to show you before we get cooking what I do with my hamburger because prices have been rising. We need to do things that if we can buy the hamburger cheaper and then freeze it, that's what we need to be doing. So we buy like 10, 20 pounds of hamburger when it's on sale. I take it, I weigh it out, put it in the freezer bags, make it nice and flat, and then freeze it, okay? So we're gonna let this defrost, but you're gonna need a pound of hamburger, 1 pack of the Jiffy mix with an egg and milk to go with this because we're gonna make it just like the package with a little bit more milk. We're gonna need some taco sauce. This is a 7.5 ounce taco sauce. Some black beans, taco seasoning. They had corn in a can. I like frozen corn better, so we're using frozen corn. And of course, I love to shred my own cheese, but you can also get a bag of shredded cheese if you want. This is extra sharp because that's my favorite. You're gonna need a small pan and we're gonna bake it at 400. So get your oven going and we are going to defrost this hamburger and get it seasoned up. So now we're just going to get our hamburger fried up with our taco seasoning. So get your pan nice and hot. Hamburger cooking. So give that a few minutes, cook that till it is no longer pink. Okay, our meat is pretty much all cooked. We're gonna add our taco seasoning, whatever flavors you like, and your 3/4 of water. Put that in there. Stir it up. Let's cook for about 5 minutes. So all the water is gone. Yeah, I think we're going to keep it a little bit juicy just for this recipe. I'm just going to let this probably simmer for just another about 3 more minutes and then I'm going to take it off. Okay, so I have this pie plate. You use whatever size you can use. I would do like an 8x8 or a 9x9 or a pie plate for this. So we're just going to add our hamburger, seasoned hamburger to the bottom. Just like that. Around. we're gonna add our black beans, all drained. A bag of frozen corn. You can use canned corn too, like I said. Now, on top of this, we shredded some cheese, but you can use bagged cheese if you want, but I'm gonna add cheese that I shredded. We love cheese. So we're gonna do cheese here. Then, I'm gonna add my bottle of taco sauce on top. I'm gonna use the whole thing. Okay. Sorry, that's Murphy. He wants to say hi. If you've watched any of my videos, you have heard Murphy. If you haven't, you will continue to hear them if you continue to watch my videos. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more cheese. Okay, now we're gonna put our, move this off the side second. We need to do our Jiffy mix. So we're gonna put that. Ooh, we're gonna crack an egg, 1 egg. And the package calls for 1/3 cup of milk. We're gonna do a 1/2 cup. We want it just a little bit more runny. I'm gonna whisk this all up first. Okay. In my package. Cornbread in here. And also to that, I'm gonna add just a little bit more cheese. Add just a little cheese to it, because we love cheese. Don't overmix this too much. Just get the ingredients nice and incorporated, like that. Okay, so done. Now we're just going to put it on top. And then we're going to put this in the oven at 400 for about 20-25 minutes. Make sure it's all here on the sides. Okay. So I will bring you back in about 20-25 minutes and let you see how good it looks. Okay, it's done. I think 25 minutes was a tad bit too long. I'm going to say 20 minutes would probably be best. Looks a little overbaked, but I think it's going to be okay. So, I'm sure underneath it's not as brown. So, we're going to try it here. Looks good. I think it's going to be perfectly fine. Looks really yummy. Okay, let's try it. The cornbread is cooked perfectly. It's not bad. It's very good. It's not dry. I probably personally would like a little bit more cheese, only because I like lots of cheese. I think some sour cream on top, maybe even some guacamole would be really good, but it's very tasty. I don't think there's any reason why any of you would not enjoy this. Very good. Just a little bit more cheese. That's all I would say. Okay, guys, try this taco bake. Quick, easy. Your kids are going to love it. I think next week I'm going to be doing a strawberry brownie, which I have never made, but I think it's going to be really delicious. And I have some other yummy ideas that I have that I'm getting off to TikTok, so I think you're going to love them. So just like, subscribe, and I will see you next week. Thanks, guys. See ya.